although it is an old hospital, but when you get inside and you see how the hospital is run, we are extremely impressed. It is a very clean hospital. You can clearly see that the management is in charge, and the management is able to actually discharge its responsibilities accordingly. And we appreciate the work that they are doing, and we do wish to call on them to keep up the good work, because we understand that professionals generally, particularly in the health sector, are often demonized for not doing a good job. And when we are able to find a good story to tell, we must be able to appreciate the work that has been done. Hospital is a very clean hospital, and the people, when you talk to, are also quite happy about the service that they are receiving. So we hope that they will maintain the standard of service that they are giving to our people, so that we continue and we benchmark on how they are running the hospital in the rest of the province. They have not lost a single mother who came here to give birth. So the maternal death rate in this hospital is 0%, and it's something that we appreciate. And they have far surpassed the target of the province in relation to what has been given to all the hospitals. They also run what is called a milk bank in this hospital. It's something that we think that other hospitals could learn from, and other hospitals should be able to actually implement moving forward. Of course, it's not a system or a program that you can run anyhow. You need to really be strategic. You need to have planned for it. You need to be prepared. And we are going to request the rest of our other hospitals to be able to learn from what this hospital is doing and be able to implement this throughout the province.